Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with a what I got for Christmas video, and as a disclaimer, as always, this is not bragging in any way, although I have been very spoiled. But I do look for gift guides and gift ideas from what other people have received, so I thought it would just be fun to share with you some of the lovely things that I got. So in the morning I got a stocking, or a couple of stockings actually, which I opened and showed what I got from those in my last Vlogmas vlog, so head on over to there to check it out. I'll try and remember to link it down below. But on to some of the other bits that I got more so in the afternoon, which I didn't vlog. And the first thing is this book by Millie Marotta, and it's the Animal Kingdom colouring book, the adult colouring book. Now I bought this as a gift for somebody a few years ago, and it's beautiful inside. I don't know if I can show you without dropping it, but they've got really beautiful designs to colour in, and I was really jealous and I wanted one myself, so I popped that on my Christmas list in the hope that I would get it, and somebody bought it for me. I also was very lucky to receive a couple of calendars this year. The first is the Warbirds calendar, which is like that, and it's got some beautiful pictures on there to look through each month as well. And the second one was the Legends of World War II. Again, a plain themed one, but also really pretty. And that's what the photos will look like, and they're really good sort of paintings, this one as well, and one of them is actually a very famous one that we've got the print of upstairs, so I'm very excited to have a smaller copy as well. And then I got some Blu-rays as well from my boyfriend. So I asked for the Downton Abbey box set, and this is series 1 to 6 and includes the Christmas specials as well. And I'm going to watch this probably after I finished filming this, because I've been dying to watch it from start to finish and go all the way through. I loved Downton Abbey and I'm so sad that it's over, but I'm very excited for the movie if it should ever come out. Then I got a few more, so I'll quickly run through them. I got Unbroken, The Incredible True Story. I got Andy Parsons' Untold live tour, which we actually saw him a few weeks ago and I really enjoyed that, so I wanted a DVD of some of his tours if I could, and very kindly got given this one. Then I got Saints and Soldiers The Void, which looks really good. Then I got the Mummy trilogy, which I'm obsessed with. I love these movies. I think I've been obsessed with them ever since I went to Egypt and could see for myself the areas that they were to, so I love that. And last but not least, I'm really excited to watch Hidden Figures. I really wanted to go and see it in the cinema, but nobody would go with me, so I'm glad I can finally watch that. On to jewellery. The first piece of jewellery I got was this really cute bracelet, which I don't know how well it's going to pick up and if I even get it right, but it's just this really pretty gold bracelet, and it's got my name on it as well, which I love. And then I also received these earrings, which again are super pretty. I love them. I actually chose these myself when we were in a shop and I was just like, I want those, and so I got them because my boyfriend never knows what to buy me, so I end up just choosing a few things. And then he also picked me up this necklace, which is just sort of like a shell with a pearl inside, and again I love that. The next thing I thought I'd show you was this really cute camera tin, I guess you could call it. It's got inside of it vanilla fudge, which I love anyway, and I saw this and thought this would be perfect to pop all my camera bits in, sort of like my spare memory cards and things, and my charged batteries when I remember to charge them, so I got that. Sticking with the camera theme, I also got this camera lens mug, which I can't believe how lifelike it looks, and I feel like I'm going to confuse myself and try and put this on my camera instead of the actual lens, because even on here it's sort of really shiny and it looks exactly like my camera lens basically, but you just unscrew it and then eventually I can just put a nice hot drink in there and take it to the air shows, I guess, as well. It would be perfect. talking of air shows, there's a couple of things that I got that are kind of more sort of like plane related. The first is this Haulers of Renown. It's the Maxwell Liberator lorry. It's the model of it. I don't know how well that's going to show up. And it's just really pretty. It's got sort of the fighters on it, which I've actually seen that one. And another one I've also seen as well. And again, I got the model of this one very kindly, is that one there, which, let's face it, is really pretty. And I love it with the bomber memorial flight on there as well. I just thought that was really pretty. To keep myself cosy in winter, my mum, basically I asked for a mermaid blanket, and my mum delivered one. So we all know what mermaid blankets are, I'm sure, so I'm not going to unravel it completely, but I asked for a pink one, and she very kindly went that extra step further and got it personalised with my name on. I don't know how well that's picking up, but it's just sort of in silver glittery lettering, and I just love it. I can't wait to use this during the winter months. Also, to keep me cosy, I got some socks, if I can reach them. There we go. So I got this 2-pack of fluffy socks. I think they're from Aldi, these ones, if you're interested, but they're really, really comfy. Personally, I think these are going to rival the Primark ones, if I'm honest with you. And then I also got these really cute socks with little Scotty dogs on. I know I said spotty dogs then, but it's not. Scotty dogs with spots as well, and I just thought that was really pretty, really cute. I love the colour of those. And then I also got given some more fluffy socks in a mug, and it's the Me To You ones, and they're super soft and they're super cute. They've even got like little ears, which is adorable, and the mug's got little ears as well. Then of course, if I'm going to be snuggled on the sofa under my mermaid blanket watching my movies, wearing my lovely fluffy socks, you need something to go with it. So of course the dairy box is always going to come in handy, and I will admit there's not many left in there. There's a few, but probably about half of this box is now empty, because I love dairy box. Then as a little present from Dan, he got me the elf key, which I thought was really cute, and I'm going to hang this up next year as sort of like a decoration, or maybe take the key ring off and hang it on the tree, something along those lines. So that's really cute. I'm on to sort of more of the skincare things, because I did get quite a few gift sets. Okay, so the first gift set is one that I love, and I actually buy these for people all the time because I love the products myself in there, and it is the Dove gift set, and you get the Sweet Cream and Peony body wash and the Pistachio Cream and Magnolia body wash, and you also get a little puff as well. But these smell incredible, and they leave your skin so soft that you kind of feel like you can always skip the moisturising stage, which I do quite a lot because I've used these, so I'm glad to have stocked up on those. I also got given this really cute impulse set, which comes with body spray, which is perfect for popping in my handbag for work, and it also comes with a little fragrance set as well. And then I got this very heavy but very lovely gift set from Lush, because let's face it, I love my bath bombs. And in here you get the Shoot for the Stars bath bomb, the Christmas Sweater bath bomb, the Thunder Snow bath bomb, and the Golden Wonder bath bomb, which is personally my favourite. And this has been smelling so lovely. As soon as I was given this, I knew exactly what it was without even having to really look, because I could smell it. And yeah, I'm going to be having bath bombs, I think, for the next 12 months, because I've still got a lot of my Christmas ones and even some of my Halloween ones that I bought as well. Next up was this beautiful but slightly heavy gift set. This is actually the Glow Indulgence Pamper set from Wilko, and I don't know if you may remember, a few years ago I had a Wilko one. It was actually from the same person as well. They always get me these, and I fell in love with the scent completely. It was the Mirabella Plum, I think it was, and this one is their latest one, and this is the Neroli and White Rose one, and you get in this one shower cream, body souffle, bath salts, body lotion, the puff, and an eye mask as well, which is super, super pretty. So yeah, I'm going to get my use out of that one. I know I'm going to love the scents in that one. I also got my first gift set from Jack Wills, and it's in this gorgeous wash bag or makeup bag, whatever you want to call it, and it's just this navy blue, although I think it's showing up slightly more black, with pink stars, and it's got rose gold zips. I love it, I'm obsessed with it. And then inside you've got some really lovely goodies. So it's the English Velvet set, and so you get the body lotion, the body scrub and the body wash as well. And I'm really excited to try these. I haven't actually opened yet, so I don't know what they smell like, but I would imagine they smell lovely. So I'm going to give these a go very soon. So that's all of the gift sets that I got. And then I just got a few extra bits. I got this double Snow Balmy Lip Balms by Zoeella, which they're in these really cute packaging, which I kind of don't want to open in a way because they look so pretty. And then I also got, they were stuck together, so I've just taken them off to show you, but I got the Sanctuary Spa scrub in sort of the little packet, and I also got the Radiance exfoliator as well. And these are perfect. I take these to the air shows all the time because I like to have a little bit of a pamper in the evening. So these are perfect just to pop in my wash bag, and then I can throw them away and I don't have to bring it all home, because I do already have this one, but it's in a massive pot which there's no way I'm going to cart around with me. So those always come in super handy. And then I also got my favourite perfume. It's the Elizabeth Arden Untold, which I ran out of. I was so sad that I'd ran out of it and I couldn't find it anywhere. And then my mum managed to track it down, and so she wrapped it up for Christmas for me. And I just wanted to show you the bottle as well because it is gorgeous. How pretty is that? So the one I've used up, I've actually got this now on my dressing table because, let's face it, it's super, super pretty and it smells amazing. Last but not least is this gift set that I asked for, and Dan managed to pick it up for me. It's actually from TK Maxx, I believe, and I think some of the stores have still got them in, so you might be able to pick these up. Well, they did yesterday when I popped in anyway. But it's just this super cute gift set, and you get in there the tassel keyring, which you could either pop on a purse, a bag, or your keys, or anything. And then you get this one here, which is the business cards case. And I don't know about you, but I am forever losing my loyalty cards. They just don't fit in the purse that I have, and I spend my lifetime looking for my various cards. And they do these in all different colours. I think all the tassels were the same colour, but they did these in black, pink, orange, red, so many different colours. But I went for this creamy, it's got sort of like specks of gold in it as well, but it's just super cute, probably really impractical. And then inside is just one big thing, which I thought would be perfect to literally stick all my loyalty cards in and have them in one place. And it's quite thin as well, so it doesn't actually take up too much room. I originally was going to get one with some dividers in, however I just know that I'm not going to put them in the dividers, I'll just end up chucking them in, so I thought why not just go for this instead. So that is everything that I received. As I said, I was really, really lucky, and thank you to everybody that bought me a gift. I love them all. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting me this year, and make sure you're subscribed as always. Check out the links that I always leave down below, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.